Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're back and if you're new, welcome to Nika's Nails, Tales, and More. So today I am going to be doing another swatching video. I know I'm going to do some nail art soon, guys, I promise. I have a client coming next week, so I'm gonna do a work with me. So okay, this time I am going to be reviewing Enail Couture. Now, I'm going to start by saying this. The products are affordable, but their website is a little crazy. Whenever I ordered it, I was kind of skeptical because I read some really bad reviews on Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, on Facebook. So, I took the chance anyway, and I ordered from them. Now, before I even get into the video, I have to say this. There was so much confusion on their website. Most of their colors didn't have names. So I have a few that have names and a few that don't. So just bear with me, guys. I promise we're going to get through it together. So I'm going to do some swatches for you too as well. Yeah, so I have about a couple of colors. I might not do them all. I'm going to do some of them that I think you guys will like and that you might want to see. So yeah. Let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, you see my little pile right here. So I might not go through them all. I think I have like 20 colors. So I'm going to pick some that I think you guys would really like to see. So I'm going to be using their Cotton Candy Monomer. I don't really care for the smell of it. Is the yellow. I can say that I have done, well, I plan to do this little not pastel, it's gonna be a neon ombre set, and I'm going to be using these products. I hope that they work out well, but I don't think I should have any products. I learned from these from Susie's Nails Career. Ooh, this one's pretty. I feel like you guys should really get a good look at this one. Let's see. So, like I said, I believe that if they have it, I'll get it to try it out to see if it works better. But I'll also try it with other monomers just to see if it works. Because sometimes, you know, if I don't like the smell of a monomer, if I don't have to buy it, I'm really not going to try to get it. So, like this one, I probably wouldn't buy again. But that's a really pretty purple, guys. Just look at that. It's gorgeous. So that's the neon purple. I'll try not to talk as much in this video and just really get rolling with the swatches. How about that? That way you can still see the colors and you won't have to sit here for like 25 minutes just listening to me ramble. So this is the blue. This one doesn't look so much neon to me. It just looks like a really light blue, like a, not light blue, but a bright blue. It's really pretty. Just, I wouldn't call it. Okay, and this is their pink. This is a pretty bright pink. I want to say it kind of reminds me of the Pink Flamingo a little bit from Nail Nails. I like that color. I really do. That one is a really pretty pink. I mean, in the color, right? Like, that just seems like as much as I can do. So this is their orange. This one is a very bright orange. It's very fluorescent. It kind of reminds me of Tangerine Dreams as well, but I think it's a little bit brighter, you guys. What do y'all think? So this is their neon green, and I can say out of all of the colors, I feel like this one is the most neon. Well, I lied. Next to the yellow, I would say these are the most neon of the group. The green and the yellow, definitely. They just seem of a ripoff as it comes to far as the point of glow in the dark, but still all in all, I know. So this is Cupid, and this is Frozen, and just open them at the same time to kill some time. So that's Cupid. You can't even see Cupid. I'm sorry, bear with me. Okay, so that's Cupid. And this is Frozen. So Frozen has a lot more glitter in it than Cupid. So we'll start with Cupid. And it's a nice clear with like some small glitter pigment, some small glitter particles in it. I think it's pretty. It's a clear, I can see a nice glitter ombre on a clear nail. What do y'all think? I think that would be what it looks like. I picked up a lot here. Okay, so again, they're not a very pigmented color. They're clear with some, this one has a lot more chunky glitters in it. I'm trying to give it a second. Look at that, you guys. Y'all see how pretty that is? So pretty. So, you can't even see me doing it. This is this chromy silver color. Look at that, guys. Look at it. So this is such a beautiful silver. Y'all see a little bit I got on the other side. Okay, so purple's next. You can't even see me. Get it together, girl. Get it together. You'll hear me talk to myself a lot, I guess. But like my mama always told me, you're not crazy unless you answer yourself. That's when you know you have a problem. Okay, so this is the purple. It is shockingly darker than I thought it would be, you guys. I didn't think it would be this dark. One thing I do not like about it is, though, when you're applying it, it's like a milky color. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't, but I see it. It's like a that you guys will probably like, but where I live, it's like really, really popular right now. So everybody wants it. But this is a pink. This isn't the color I was just talking about, guys. It's just a pink. That's it. So this is pink. It's nice and pretty. It's a darker pink than any of the ones that I had in the... This one here is the color that I was talking about. It's called Milky White. And it is really, really popular where I live at right now, guys. And like, it is exactly what it's called. It's a Milky White. And you're probably like, why is that popular? But I'm telling you, they go crazy for this. Over a cleared nail is just life right now. It's like not too many people out here actually have this color acrylic. So if you have it, like y'all see this little, how it makes it look all cloudy, I guess. This is really, really popular right now. I think I still have sinking. I guess I can show you guys that too as well. I don't really know if you want to see it, but like I said, you know, what does it hurt to show? So this is another black, and then this is the chrome white. You see it? Okay, so this is the 24 karat. I like swatching with you guys. I feel like it's a great time to just talk and get to know But yeah, this is the 24 karat. It reminds me a lot of their Frozen, you know, except that this one is gold. You see the big chunky golds in it. And now we're going to, I'm gonna do the chrome white first. That way the black isn't still in my brush. So just like last time though, I don't really expect much from it. You know, it is a white. They have so many different whites and so many different pinks. It is absolutely ridiculous. Like, this is their chrome white. You know, it doesn't really seem pink. I don't like transparent pinks, you guys. I don't care for them too much. So, this one doesn't really seem to be too transparent. At least I don't think it is. Let's get a good look-see. Okay. It's not. It's a pretty nice pink. It's pretty decent. Okay, and let's do this black, y'all, so I can wrap up this video for you guys. I don't want to keep y'all bored. And then this is their black. Okay, so this is the pure black that they have. You know, a black is a black, but hey, I just wanted to show you guys. So that was it. Okay guys, like always, I had fun swatching for y'all. So let me know if you enjoy swatching with me. And also, I can say this about the Enail couture, they apply very smoothly. I definitely give them that. They have a beautiful formula. Now, as far as their website goes, like I said, it's kind of hard to understand, and then they take a while to send out their shipment. I want to say I think I waited like a week or two before my shipment sent, but it only took me like 3 days to get it. So they're pretty busy. Also, they have an excellent top coat, and I love it. It is one of my favorites. It's called their shiny top coat. I absolutely adore it. So Enail couture overall for me was a plus. Like I said, they don't have a lot of names, so I can't really tell you guys the names, but yeah, it was lovely. There's a lot of pinks. I mean, a lot of pinks. But hey, what girl doesn't love her pinks, okay? Y'all, I'm sorry about the mess in the background too. I'm trying to get my office together. It's just a little hectic. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.